Good morning, everybody. I'm in Eaton Canyon. I thought I'd take a little walk before I headed to work this morning. I recently moved to the San Gabriel Valley, so it looks like I'm going to have a lot of new things to explore, which makes me very excited because that means you get to see more things. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to feel after all this, considering I have to go study and then I have to go to work. But you know what? I can't complain. Look at this. It's amazing. It's great. What a better way to start the day to reconnect than reconnecting with nature. And yeah, let's see what we can find. Yeah, let's go. So for any of you that are out there thinking you want to come out and hike, highly recommend it. Just be prepared, however, make sure that your shoes have enough grip, because there are a lot of crossings on small streams and you can slip. Not just that, but as you can see, the terrain just down here, it's incredibly rocky at points. So make sure you have something that has good grip so that you avoid injuries and avoid some ankle rolls. I'm actually wearing tennis shoes. It was probably a bad idea. So at the end of this hike, you get this beautiful, beautiful waterfall right behind you. It's actually one of my favorite things to do when I'm out here. My foot's in the water again. So I'm headed back to work. I'm actually very happy that I came out and took a hike this morning. It was very energizing. I'm happy that I'm getting to learn new things about the San Gabriel Valley, or this side of town in general. I really enjoyed it. Please come out here. It's a really good time. I do have to warn you though, make sure that you bring a bag with supplies for the things that you'll need. For example, I recommend that you definitely bring snacks. I recommend that you bring water 100%, and also a towel. Oh, and last thing, don't forget extra socks and extra shoes because your feet might get wet like just happened to me. So don't be shy about that. It's going to happen. It's part of the adventure. It's part of coming out here, having a good time. Enjoy your experience with nature. But I do recommend that people come out and just do these kind of things from now and again, just to sort of reconnect, revamp the batteries. Right now I'm super stoked. I haven't even gotten to work yet, and I got a major workout done that lasted about 2 hours last night. So trust me, if I did all that and I feel this energized just from doing this hike, then anybody can. So please come out, have a good time. Eaton Canyon is amazing. One last thing, guys, make sure that you're bringing trash bags as well. Don't leave garbage. I saw plenty of diapers and orange peels and all sorts of garbage, and oh yeah, little doggy bags with dog leftovers. So please, if you're an owner of a dog, clean this stuff up, guys. This stuff's out here for all of us to enjoy, and it's quite beautiful, and I recommend it to anybody. But it's not gonna be as nice if we don't take care of it together. Okay, cool.